Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Hbar. Hbar, very amazing. I think I used to have a student and we used to talk about Hbar when it was down at, I think in this bear market prices, and I was doing all this analysis. So it was, I think this was back in August 2023, and I just left this chart as it is and I never really changed the chart. So I used to trade it back in the days, and I used to make some technical updates here. You can see we used to talk about it here, we used to talk about it here, and we used to talk about how if you break above this resistance you can actually come up to this target. And back during those days, I mean in the bear market, we used to see a lot of manipulation. Like the market was absolutely manipulated. It used to be really hard to trade anything until we didn't see the bulls coming in and just breaking above everything and actually pushing above the limits, going beyond the limits and making sure that people are nearly like 600% up. This is a very good move. Now I think that we still have to see Hbar climbing a little bit more higher and higher, because we're having 3 white soldiers within 3 white soldiers. So in the next 1 day, 1 hour, we do have these 3 candles back to back on the weekly, which is a very strong statement that we could see a little bit of consolidation and then continue to go to the upside. So we're not in the mode of stopping. I think we're still in the mode of going up. So if you don't understand what is this 3 green candles, if you go back in history, this is what happens when you have 3 green candles, right? So 3 green candles, a little bit of consolidation and then continuation. So three green candles back to back is 3 white soldiers, and that means that the prices are going to continue. This is what the candle indicates, that it's a continuous candle. Whatever the trend is, it's going to continue. And it makes one logical place that really makes sense is going to be $0.44. Now if you want to know what is this encircled area, I was actually predicting this 1 year ago that it's going to be like $2.5 and $1.11. I think we could even go a little bit above that, but normally from the previous all-time high, it's safe to say that you can do like a 300%. So maybe $1.77 is a very realistic target. But keep in mind that if you were buying at the bare bottoms, if let's say you're buying at 44, then you have like 48, 47x up here if it does come up there. So you're literally converting that $1,000 to $47,000. Now of course you can really go even higher than that, I'm not saying, but I think for me at least, being on the safe side here, I think $1.7 is very possible to happen. I still kind of have a feeling that we might actually get above even that price target. So that's pretty much it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love. Hey, I know you guys are scratching your head thinking, when am I going to exit the market? On Stupid Bitcoin podcast number 3, I've recorded the best video on exit strategy in the market. So click, it's right over here at the bottom of the screen, and watch that, because you deserve to exit with the best gains. And I don't want you to exit early. So watch this video ASAP if you're holding Pepe Coin, Luna Classic, any altcoin, because exiting is really important. Thank me later.